do you want me to describe you? He or she?
Anyone, sir.
Okay. Who do you see yourself to be, a man or a woman?
Presently, as at now, a woman.
As at now, you are a woman.
Yes.
So are there other occasions when you are not a woman?
Yes.
Are you bisexual?
No.
So what are you? Strictly homosexual?
No.
You have been described as a famous Nigerian transgender. Is that right?
Not trans, cross-dresser. Cross-dresser, not...
Oh, you are a cross-dresser. You are not
cross-dressing. Wearing makeup, making hair, looking this way doesn't make me a gay.
What? Okay, so on your passport, the international passport, for example, you write male under gender.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask you, growing up, have you ever dated a woman in your life?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You've dated a woman before?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I've read a lot about you, about men chasing you. Do you enjoy being chased by men?
No.
The impression that you are dating men and they are paying you big money, so it's all acting.
It's not me. It's not.
Was there ever a time you were tempted to try gazing, to be, maybe bisexual?
There was one time I was thinking of being a bi. Like I want to fling both ways. I want to fling both the guys and the girls, but I haven't made up that mind yet. The truth is, even up to now, I still do girls. Up to now.
How naughty and adventurous are you?
I'm actually naughty.
Yeah, obviously. It's obvious.
Yes.
It's obvious.
Yes.
That's why. Yeah.
I'm actually naughty. I'm wild.
Is that part of the business?
No, that's my whole personal life.
If perchance you impregnate a woman today, would you hide the baby so that alarm will not blow? Is it because then?
Yes, there is a time. There's time for everything. If by chance, like you said, someone somewhere is pregnant, we have to have an agreement together. Don't say it out.
Whatever you are doing must be working for you. A lot of people have said that you are a bad role model for the young ones. Do you agree?
No, sir. Yes,
have you ever done any cosmetic surgery?
Sir, come just drop that side.
Bobrisky. So how religious are you?
Okay, personally, I'm very close to my creator. People don't believe someone like us. People don't believe someone like us we could be so close to God. But that's a very sad thing to say. God don't judge. Even God that created us don't judge. The Bible says never judge. So I feel, be who you are and come to me, talk to me. Like, talk to your God. Whether you're a mad woman, whether you're a madman, whether you're a fine woman, whether you're an ugly person, just give time to talk to your creator. Appreciate him. That's all.